Hello! Today, I will show you how to log into your Kahoot account. You can log in via our main website, kahoot.com. Here, in the top right corner, you can see a button, Log In. Click on it and let the page load. Then you have to either insert a username or an email address, and of course, your password. Then click the button to log in. If you don't remember your password or username, you can click the Reset Your Password button. Please remember that if you're a U.S. student under 13 or a non-U.S. student under 16, you need to enter your username and not an email address to access your account. If you have set up an SSO, you can log in with your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Clever account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up as well. Let's log in. Now you're logged into your account. You can go to your Kahoot library or discover new Kahoots by navigating the menu on the left-hand side. Happy Kahooting!